Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. In the last video we learned about text input. Today we will learn how to use scroll view. So what is scroll view? The scroll view is a generic scroller container which scrolls multiple child components and views inside it. In the scroll view we can scroll the components in both direction vertically and horizontally. By default, the scroll view container scrolls its component and views in the vertical. To scroll its component in horizontal, it uses the props horizontal, which should be true. Default, it's false. By default, scroll view only scrolling vertical while dragging. When horizontal true, the scroll view's children are arranged horizontally in a row instead of vertically in a column. When you want your list to have an animated and sticky header, you may need to set this sticky header indices. When shows vertical scroll indicator true, it shows a vertical scroll indicator. This is the scroll view example and this we will understand with code. So let's jump to the VS Code. Let me create a file named scroll component in component folder. I'm creating a functional component with RNFE shortcut which is providing us a boilerplate component. Let me import image first. Now I am going to add image in the view component. And let's add URL of the image here. Now I am going to import this component in app.js. And save it. But in the emulator nothing is showing because I did not give any height width to the image. So I am going to give it height 300. Creating object with style sheet and create a style object for image in it. Now give it height 300 and use this style to the image. Now you can see image is visible here. I'm going to add a text here. And giving it styling. Text align center and giving margin to the image. Now I'm going to add a header in the top which we create in the props example video. So I'm importing header. And use it here with heading scroll component. Yes, it is visible here. Now I am going to copy the image and text and paste it down here. And repeating it 4 times. Now you can see it is set in the design but it is hide in the bottom. Because we are using view for scrolling, we have to use a scroll view for dragging the design to the bottom. So let me import scroll view from React Native and replace view with scroll view. and you can see it is dragging down and hidden part is showing now to us. But we have one problem with it. We are repeating same text and image again and again and again. So for this we will use map function here, which is a JavaScript function. Map function will provide looping functionality for repeating data. So I am creating an array called scrolling data. And creating an object which will hold picture URL and the title. Now I am repeating same 4 times because I have 5 pictures and title in my scroll view. So it will look like this. Now I am using this array in the scroll view. So I am removing repeated data from the view. First we need to create a parent view because it will not take 2 separate components in map function. So I am using map function with scrolling data.map and creating a functional bracket and use a unique variable for render data in the view. Using item.pick. And in text item.title. Now when I save it, you can see my design is same as before because we have same data in array with map function. When I am removing first element from array, you can see it is automatically removed from the design itself. So like this we can use mapping with scroll view. That's all for today. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.